Polytechnic along KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM tuliram ronghang kahumridam. Dipu rong sopi arlo prek jamadin EM tuliram ronghang pen kahumridam. Dipu Saint Anthony English School along Aliralon pen Thandang Arni Talondun. Kardom Pini prime time aberta ke thanabang nilisami marvelous rong pharpi. Non arju ikha berta ang ton pen. Pini anar lo por phai krehini malom Dipu Polytechnic along KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM tuliram ronghang pen japonsi parju jepin pen men kahumridam. Bangso kahumridam ahut Polytechnic along kidoan lu ke thanang deng along hostel krungching sayadim lapen thanbang atumamen kachetok mate attendance alu highway lang tarlibdam pinsomar hostel pen arlu sumara hostel ada pevars block atowar sitame kaslam japan pin khatikang bangso kahumridam ahut EM lapen MP Horen Singh be KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singh Ingti EM Pradip Diphusa MSc Richard Tokbi MSc Ram Singh Timung Principal Utpal Bora Thanbang atum lapen lochar liu sumaratum chetong dun. Polytechnic angkang arlo langke joy ke kelong ji aphan lapen kai ke ta ingthir jir pen kido ke thak ji aphan lapen kenang sot asona mung prabjin pen kapalong e ji aphan pachini tekang. News Desk report KARBI ANGLONG live. Dipu rong sopi angkang arlo ason kapalang miasai ke deng ponalong piniada por phainar kep malom KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM tuliram ronghang pen adimaklongan kahumridam. Bangso kahumridam ahut Dipu ahithialong kiliput Dipu roya bolon kipia dimalong kiklem kedam ketang telapen kimek kahinu kilang charidam lo. Bangso api Dipu Hills Medical College along kasemar ponbom RCC lang kiri alang pong kasemar along lang charidam. Bangso kilang damahut KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM tuliram ronghang pen japonsi engineer Mijikro engineer Pratap Terang atum kilang charidam along chetongdun. News Desk report KARBI ANGLONG live. Det piadang along lo thanbang arni katalona sonsi pini birla tawar krong thom kachetok adung kedo Saint Anthony English School along ta thanbang arni talondun. Longri adang piaman kethenai arni mate ethan ekapere pen munit nang kepeman lapen kethek kire nang kapeman thanbang arni pregjama dimalong katalondun asonsi Dipu Saint Anthony English School along ta talondun. Klim sumaratum asona soning kangsam nong e thanbang atum phan chipipon Saint Anthony English School along principal Dr. Lipson rongpia hinpen osomaratum phan lapen school along thanbang atum phan chethan chimum lapen kachuro alam the thanpon.
Father, sometimes they might be very strict, but both at the bottom of their heart, they have a warm and loving kindness. Without your role, without your contribution or cooperation, we won't be able to move forward. We won't be able to take along this very institution. So we want to say thank you to especially almost all the teachers educating the generation. We are educating the generation. We have been working seriously. Right now we might not be getting the fruit, but after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, our children, those who are still kids right now.
Bangso api lo Charlie Klim sumaratum kekang lapen thanbang atum aphan kang hona simbon pipajirpon. Dipu pen Sarjip Kathar KARBI ANGLONG live. Chinthong Lemspen Patir PC Sarsing Bongru English Academy School along pinithan bang atumaphan karchu ponasai dengpon. Pini lake det piadang along thanbang arani pusi hokpon bangso thanbang arni pura thanbang atumaphan karcho ponji aphan rongjang phong pathu aklam along thanbang aphan karcho asai dengpon karcho amai along chinthong lems maipu long singkro chinthong lems chunbang sarsing hanse atum chitong dun Sarsing Bongrung English Academy LP School along Kacharlio Sumara tumpen thanbang atumaphan karcho asai setame dengpon bangso karcho amai long chinthong lems maipu long singkro hin pen chepahem phu ponsi thanbang arani mesen pen ingsamjin pen pachun pon News Text Report, KARBI ANGLONG Live. Pini prime time abirta bangke lapan sekang ton iglo, domi thakme kardom.